Happy Tuesday, Wolves. It's Mr. Costanzo, and I'm going to be leading us through today's advisory lesson. Um, as you guys know, this year was our first year at CVMS where we had a community service club, and we did a lot of cool things like we fed families at the Ronald McDonald House. We helped organize a toy drive around the holiday season for families so they can get their kids presents, and we put on the dopest dance that College View has ever seen this past Valentine's Day. Today, we are all going to be a part of the Community Service Club, and we're going to be participating in something called International Pay It Forward Day. Um, if we do this right, it's going to be contagious. It's going to set an awesome tone for our week, and we're going to have a blast doing it. So let's scroll down to that next slide and learn a little bit more about what this day actually is.